Okay, it's recording.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're going to attempt to chug a Pepsi without burping.
Yes. Okay. And whoever burps first
Loses.
Yeah.
And
Alright.
click in 3, 2, 1.
Oops. Alright. We chug in 3, 2, 1. Oh god. Hold up. I got one.
Oh, my back!
That was so close. That was so close. Okay. I keep losing it. Okay.
Remember, we're trying not to.
Oh, okay. This is gonna be hard then.
Oh my god, why are you laughing? When someone else laughs, that makes me laugh.
Hold on. My stomach. Hold on.
If you really need to, then just go. Oh.
That was okay. That was so bad. I need to get more energy.
My turn. Oh. I think I can try not to.
Okay.
You remember we're trying.
There was a big one coming up though. Okay, I just need to get the lump of it, and then a big bubble just. Oh no. Okay.
My stomach hurts so bad doing this. Tiki tiki tambo, no sarambo. Tiki tiki tambo.
I can't believe it's still recording. Oh man, hold on. Oh.
What do I? At the end, I'm gonna try to burp if I manage to do it. My nose.
It shot out of your nose. Man, this is the best video of all time.
Oh my stomach.
Oh my god, bro. How? No. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god. Okay.
My lips look like I'm a monkey in my camera.
Wait, hold on.
I'm a big bat.
Oh wow.
I'm a big bat. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna throw up after this.
Hold on. Wait, hold on. It's coming. Hold on.
Tiki tambo. No, it's not.
Okay.
Show me.
Let me get a big gulp of it, and then I'm gonna try to actually burp. Actually, I know it's not to. Wait, hold on.
My life. My whole life. My life.
Okay. Yo, what's up, Coop? What's up, Coop? What up, Cooper? He's a dog. Just don't worry about him. That was a big chug. Bro threw up.
It hurts so long.
Oh my god.
Oh, I think I'm gonna die.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna have too much caffeine.
This is a video, not a short.
Mhm. recording for like 4 minutes.
Oh, now I gotta see this. Oh wait, this is live.
Wait, what?
This is live.
What?
This is live.
Wait, well, it's not just a video?
No, it's live.
How many people are watching?
Sorry. Remember, my screen is really ugly, so you barely can see the people on here.
Why am I doing this to my life?
I don't know. Wait a minute. Hold up.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Yeah.
Just twist it and then.
Oh, it kind of gets it sharp though, so.
You can put a straw through it. You have to do it like this. And
I did it.
Girl finally made her forget.
Oh, my arm.
Girl, it's all the way in your eye.
No, it didn't get in my eye, but it's so high. The mirror.
Oh, wow. Hold on.
Oh, my life. I can't do quads the rest of the day after this.
Speaking of what?
Let me see if I can.
The face. You're dying.
Oh, my back. Oh, I feel.
For real though. I feel it. Wait, I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. There it comes. I can't.
Oh.
Oh my god. Yo, Cooper, you want to try something?
Tiki tiki dambi. No Rambo. Tiki tiki dambi.
Wait, hold up.
Oh.
I should probably say something. Shouldn't I say something? Yeah. I don't know, like and subscribe. I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, for my stomach, because it's 10.
Let me get
No, oh, my heart.
And we got that on camera too. She did a big one. It was so loud though. Yeah. It was so loud though. Dang it.
I did it. You were so bad. No.